I'm on a road trip! Yes! This morning I started near Amsterdam and I'm on my way now to Berlin, Germany. Autobahn! Power! Fuck! I'm lucky because there's a police car holding up the traffic behind us and I'm in front of him. I think they made room for the Krankenwagen. I drove 640 kilometers and I'm now on Tegel airport waiting on the airplane to land. See you later. Ken has spotted me, so he's now coming to my car. There.
See you again.
Hi.
This is Mark.
Victor.
Victor's a speed demon.
No. No.
Wait, he can't wait for the Autobahn. Are you excited about Camerimage then? Or?
Yeah.
Should be interesting.
And the funny thing is, I didn't tell what we are going to do. We go to Poland.
Yeah, we're going to Poland.
And to which city?
Bydgoszsz? Bydgoszsz?
Yeah, something like that.
We'll play the Blade Runner music.
GPS signal lost.
Roadtrip is also coming.
Oh, is he this year?
Yes.
Yes, he is. All right.
So we are in Poland right now, but it's way too dark to vlog here on the roads because they have no street lights on the highway. But the roads are very decent and we are 170 kilometers from the hotel. How is the view on the road here?
The view?
Yeah, the view. This road is really scary. It's really dark and there's some hidden corners in it. We take it slow and it's 48 kilometers. We are taking a detour and we found a road with potholes. Yes, finally in the room. I have way too much stuff with me. But a lot of filmmaking gear.
There's some sort of tram line there as well. All the way down there, come all the way across
The nighttime only route for getting pizza.
Oh shit, there's a tram coming as well. Fuck. Move. Salami ham, tuna. Just pick one at random. One Lushka, one Ash.
Luszka.
Yeah.
No, Luszki nie ma.
Oh.
Mario, mushrooms, paprika and chicken. Yeah?
Yeah. You ordered a medium pizza?
Yep.
Okay. We ordered 2 random pizzas and they look delicious.
They both look the same. Average size pizza. Here it means, you're not in England. Here it means epic size pizza. How was the road? It went well until about half an hour away from here. And then it went bad.
The road went really crazy with some random corners, some random obstacles.
Cut.
That was fun today. I drove 1050 kilometers and it went well, only the last part of the route was not that great. The pizza was really great, so always order random pizzas if you can't read the menu, and watch out in Poland if you order medium pizzas, because they are pretty large. Tomorrow we can explore the city and get our tickets for the Camerimage. See you later. Thanks for watching.